Mega trends such as urbanization, climate change, and demographic change are threatening the sustainable future of the entire world. Cities play a crucial role in shaping our sustainable future, as they account for 75% of the world's energy consumption and 80% of greenhouse gas emissions. And green buildings will play a vital role.
台北101从设计的第一天，我们就以一个环保大楼为设计的出发点，用自己的文化以及全世界最新最好的科技的结合，使得101变得这么的特别。经过这么多年的营运，那我们希望透过第三方的认证来肯定我们在环保上所做努力的成果，因此我们申请LEED白金级的认证。
With 89 floors in operation and approximately 10,000 occupants, the whole LEED team worked together to meet the very tight project schedule. Measurement of the building performance, energy audits, and updates to the building and equipment were carefully planned to minimize disruption to the building operation.
Taipei 101 is an iconic building that is recognized around the world. Not only is iconic, but it is big. So making the decision to go for LEED is not a simple decision, not a simple step. Once management understood the long-term benefits LEED could bring, they became committed. There's 56 different steps we undertook for this LEED process. The next step was to educate the facility managers about the interrelationship of these 56 steps. The biggest challenge that the entire LEED team faced was educating the tenants about the processes that we were undertaking.
We know the HVAC system uses more than 40% of building energy. That's why optimize the chiller plant operation become very critical for the whole LEED process. And it's the way to make this building greener. The end user also need to know how to operate the system. Taipei 101 identified every thermostat with the VAV box, so the user knows how to adjust the space temperature. Every time when the space temperature set point increase 1 degree, it can contribute to 6% total energy saving, and this is a big impact to the building performance.
We started wanting to save energy cost. As our tower is already very energy efficient, we had the confidence to apply for LEED certification and targeting at gold level. But initial evaluation showed that we were very close to platinum, so we decided to go for it. We're dealing with a building with 10,000 people in it, and we need to get all the tenants on board and committed, which was a lot of communication and coordination work. I'm happy to say that most of our tenants agree with the good cause and work with us on this without any reservation. We also believe this would attract multinational corporations sharing the same belief in eco-responsibility to be our tenants and customers.
From the sheer size and scale of this project, the most important message is that any building, whether it's old or new, whether it's compact or a skyscraper, whether it's from Europe, the US or Taiwan, can be certified as a green building. Siemens' expertise in building efficiency has helped Taipei 101 garner the lead credits in the two largest categories, which is energy and atmosphere and indoor environmental quality. A green building stands out from the crowd quite simply because it's a better building. It's because it's straightforward, the technology is available today, and it has an impact on the environment. By Taipei 101 achieving LEED Platinum, it makes it 30% more energy efficient than the average building.
We compare 22 major Asian cities in terms of their environmental performance and policies. It's part of Siemens' efforts in raising awareness among city stakeholders and decision makers regarding the importance of cities in sustainability. Siemens has optimized over 6,500 buildings worldwide, which substantially reduced CO2 emissions and contributed to more than 2 billion euros in cost savings. Such savings can be achieved by a relatively low investment in comparison to the total building cost. Siemens' total building solutions not only increase the energy efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions, they also provide additional comfort in buildings and increase the value of the buildings.
As green buildings become more the standard rather than the exception, we will see buildings becoming more intelligent, setting the foundation for future smart grid integration.
Siemens people in Taipei have been wonderful to work with. They are professional, ethical, and efficient. We enjoy very much having Siemens as one of our most important service providers, and indeed a great partner to work with in running this huge tower.
我们希望透过101取得LEED的认证，来带动全世界绿建筑的风潮，进而能够减缓地球暖化的问题。
As the tallest green building in the world, Taipei 101 welcomes you to join the green building family, allowing future generations an even better world to live in.
Taipei 101